Do you wish you had two monitors instead of struggling to raise your laptop into view? With our dual monitor desk mount with USB and multimedia ports, you'll raise your monitors off of your desktop to clear tabletop space and to improve posture by placing your monitor at eye level. Our desk mount is capable of holding monitors up to 35 inches and 33 pounds on each arm. Easily raise and lower each gas spring arm to a max of 13 inches. Tilt your monitors 45 degrees, rotate them 90 degrees, and swivel left and right 180 degrees. Use the quick release VESA to attach and detach your monitors.
The Vari line of accessories includes single and dual monitor arms. They let you put your monitors right where you want them for maximum workday comfort. A perfectly placed monitor benefits your neck, back, and even your eyes. Plus, lifting your monitor off the desktop frees up workspace and makes room for papers and other accessories. Vari monitor arms work with single or dual monitor setups, and the clamp mount design means you can install them in minutes without a drill or screws. No matter which model you choose, it only takes a few minutes to install. Vari monitor arms are fully adjustable, VESA compatible, and work seamlessly with all Vari desks, tables, and desktop converters. Our full collection of office furniture and accessories helps elevate your workspace, making it happier, healthier, and more productive. Single and dual monitor arms from Vari.